This is newly launched Apple Pro 13 2024, which means it's time to once again ask whether the company's latest premium tablet can replace the best laptops. Let's find out. Let's start with the design. This iPad comes with 13-inch of retina OLED panel with 120Hz. It also supports HDR10+, Dolby Vision and 16 nits of peak brightness, so you can watch contents in OTT platform in HDR. This year Apple made biggest changes in the design. Now it's come with 5.1 mm of thickness, its world's first thinnest device. Underneath it's powered by impressive M4 chipset, which promises to handle all your tasks and heavy gaming sessions with ease. You have got option 2, with variants ranging from 8GB to 56GB to a whopping 1TB 16GB configurations. Now on the cameras, there are solid 12 megapixel main camera that can shoot gorgeous 4K videos at 60 frames per second and snap some stunning pics. Although it's missing optical image stabilization, but it's got electronic image stabilization to keep things steady, plus a 12 megapixel front camera for all your selfie needs. And don't forget about the extras: 4 speakers for impressive sound, Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless connectivity, and dual band Wi-Fi tag to keep you online wherever you go. It's like having a powerhouse in your hands. The iPad, while a versatile device, may not yet surpass laptops due to its operating system limitations. With iPadOS, it primarily supports apps from the App Store, lacking the capability to run heavy applications commonly used on macOS or Windows devices. However, there is a potential for significant shift if Apple were to integrate macOS into the iPad, potentially posing a formidable challenge to traditional laptops.